Welcome back to the STEMPower series. Today, we're continuing our STEM investigation into the unique makerspace-inspired Discover STEM Lab. Let's see what DSTEM 5-6 has to offer. As the ultimate enrichment tool for grades 5-6, Discover STEM Lab 5-6 can be easily integrated into after-school programs, classrooms, and any other learning environment. With curriculum designed to be specifically useful for late elementary students as they begin to transition to more difficult subjects in middle school. Each module encourages independent student exploration while being educational, entertaining, and aimed at getting students excited about learning. DSTEM 5-6 is made up of 4 self-contained curriculum packages, boasting over 100 contact hours and enough supplies for 24 students. These self-contained units key in on the 4 facets of STEM: science, technology, engineering, and math. For science, there's Discover Dynamics. Explore physical phenomena like acceleration, inertia, equilibrium of forces, the principles of linear motion, and the laws of motion with Discover Dynamics Physics 1. Combining hands-on experiments with easy-to-follow curriculum, this kit allows students to discover the secrets of centrifugal force, gravity, acceleration, and the conservation of energy, all while engaging in a welcoming, student-driven environment. From building their own STEM identities to engaging with foundational concepts, Discover Dynamics encourages independent student exploration to get students excited about learning. For technology, discovering robotics and programming. By combining a game-like programming interface and real mechanical robotic components, Discover Robotics and Programming is one of the most versatile and useful teaching tools of today. Projects focus on the integration of STEAM skills by incorporating math, physics, and engineering principles. Each project is followed with an optional journaling component to fuse language arts and reflection, responding to extensive research that illustrates the benefits of including reflective elements in STEM classrooms. Engineering centers around Discover Engineering. In Discover Engineering, get ready to cultivate the young engineers of tomorrow. Geared to bolster student literacy with rapidly evolving technology, this kit combines the latest research-based methods to get learners excited about STEM. While introducing the basic concepts of engineering, the activities in Discover Engineering foster student confidence, critical thinking, and other important 21st century skills. And math holds a new upgrade for 2019, Discover Renewable Energy. Renewable energy is an important source of power today and will become even more critical in the future. The Discover Renewable Energy Solar Beginner Set is perfectly designed to help students understand the possibilities of solar energy. Building solar-powered boats and cars, which run by generating electricity from the sun using a solar module, this kit combines ethics and STEM for modern learning and discovery of the possibilities of renewable energy. Each of these kits are aligned to current industry guidelines and standards that they contain all the materials and curriculum needed to get started out of the box, allowing for an easy implementation into any learning environment. Adhering to next-gen science standards, International Society for Technology and Education standards, International Technology and Engineering Educators Association standards for technological literacy, and Common Core math standards, Discover STEM Lab is the perfect way to bring STEM to your learners.